Have you ever walked across a carpet and felt a zap when you touched a doorknob? That's static electricity. Everything around us, even our bodies, is made up of tiny particles called atoms. These atoms have even tinier particles called electrons that carry a negative charge. Static electricity is all about the balance of these charges. When objects rub against each other, electrons can jump from one object to another. This creates an imbalance of charges. One object becomes negatively charged and the other becomes positively charged. When objects with opposite charges come close, they attract each other. This attraction is what causes the zap or spark we feel. It's the sudden flow of electrons trying to restore a neutral charge. Static electricity might seem like a small thing, but it plays a big role in our daily lives and in the universe around us. Let's explore some fascinating examples. Lightning is a dramatic and powerful example of static electricity in action. Inside thunderclouds, tiny ice particles collide with each other as they are tossed about by strong winds. These collisions cause electrons to be transferred, creating areas of positive and negative charge within the cloud. As the charge separation grows larger, the electrical potential difference between the cloud and the ground increases. Eventually, this difference becomes so great that the insulating capacity of the air breaks down. A massive surge of electrons flows from the cloud to the ground or from cloud to cloud, creating a bright flash of light and the loud boom we call thunder. Lightning is a reminder that static electricity is not just a small spark on a doorknob. It's a powerful force of nature. Understanding how static electricity works helps us appreciate the incredible phenomena happening around us. Static electricity isn't just about lightning storms, it's happening all around us, even in our homes. Have you ever heard a crackling sound while ironing clothes? That's the sound of static discharge. The heat from the iron can cause electrons to transfer between the iron and the fabric, creating static charges that then discharge with a tiny spark and a tick sound. Another common example is the attraction of hair to a television screen. Older CRT televisions use a beam of electrons to create the images we see. These electrons can build up a static charge on the screen. When you stand close to the screen, your hair, which can easily gain a static charge, is attracted to the opposite charge on the screen, making it stand on end. These everyday examples demonstrate that static electricity is not something to be feared, but a phenomenon to be understood. It's a reminder that even seemingly mundane activities can involve fascinating scientific principles. Static electricity might seem like a nuisance at times, but it plays a crucial role in many technologies we rely on every day. Photocopiers, for example, use static electricity to create copies of documents. Inside a photocopier, a special drum is given a static charge. When you place a document on the glass, light reflects off the document and onto the drum. The areas of the drum exposed to light become discharged, while the dark areas retain their charge. Toner, a fine powder, is then attracted to the charged areas of the drum. The toner is then transferred to a sheet of paper and fused with heat, creating a copy of the original document. Static electricity is also used in capacitors, electronic components that store electrical energy. Capacitors are found in countless electronic devices, from smartphones to computers. They play a vital role in filtering and smoothing electrical signals, ensuring that these devices function correctly. The study of static electricity has led to countless technological advancements that have shaped the modern world. Understanding this fundamental force allows us to harness its power and create innovative solutions for a wide range of applications.